Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading in a range. Yesterday we had NFP. As we all know, NFP is a major event that can change the direction of the market. But this week was special, or this week is special because not only we had NFP, but we also have CPI. Okay, and because of which the NFP numbers could not bring much change to the market because the market is mostly waiting for the CPI numbers, which is coming tomorrow. So when the NFP numbers came out, there was a sudden drop in the market because the data was positive. Dollar went up, okay, and gold was under pressure, but dollar failed to sustain the upside. It came down, and as a result, gold also recovered. In simple words, okay, there was not much change in the market, and gold is still trading inside the same range. It means that things are still very boring, still unreliable, and still there is no clear direction in the market. I will not take much time because there is not much to discuss right now, because when we see a market condition like this, okay, the trading opportunities are limited. Because if you enter on the middle of the chart, then obviously there's a high chance that you will be trapped. In the US session today, we have some events coming up like the jobless claims data. Okay, today you can expect some spikes in the market, but I don't think so there will be a trend shift. Okay, so we can expect that more or less this shall continue till tomorrow. After CPI, we will get a direction. So not much trading opportunities right now. If you're looking for some reliable trades, reliable setups, then gold is a big no. You can look for opportunities outside gold, because if I take you to the hourly chart, okay, see, this is the hourly chart of gold. Do you think that this chart deserves your hard-earned money? Obviously no, isn't it? So it's better to look for opportunities outside gold. But if you only trade on gold, then wait for some time. If you see market taking support around 5,000 to 5,010, you can look for a buy. See, already market has tested 5,000 many times. In a scenario like this, you should not trade at all. Market, the level of 5,000 is heavily unreliable, but the volume is low. So there is a chance that market may take support and bounce again. If it breaks, then we can look for a bounce or support around 4977 to 72. This is the second support on the chart of gold. If market takes support, we can look for buy here as well. But if you see market like this only, then yes, there's a chance that 5,000 will work again because it is acting as a magnet right now. So 5,000, 5,010 is the first support. Then we have 497772 as the second support. These are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. And till tomorrow, okay, we can expect the market remain like this only. And if market goes up, as a day trader, we can look for a selling opportunity around 511018. Okay, if market reverses from here, we can look for a sell position as well. How much you can expect? You can expect a selling opportunity of around $15 to $20, means 150 to 200 pips. This is gold, my dear friends, and gold has been very volatile recently. So we can expect at least a move of 150 pips. And in a market condition like this, okay, mostly traders lose money because we enter on the middle of the chart. So if you do not want to get trapped, okay, simple follow the buy at support, seller resistance strategy. Okay, because in sideways market, the best strategy is buy at support, seller resistance. Mostly people lose money in sideways market because we lose our patience, we enter here and there, and we get trapped. So please avoid. So nothing much to discuss right now, my dear friends. We will again see each other on Saturday then, because tomorrow also we can expect the market will more or less remain like this only. So So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and do not gamble. Okay. Bye bye.